Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. I'm really happy to have you here again. Today, I want to share something extremely powerful with you. Something very simple, yet deeply effective. It's a 10-minute daily English practice. Yes, only 10 minutes. And please believe me when I say this. If you do this practice every single day, it can completely change the way you speak English. Your speaking will become smoother. Your sentences will come out more naturally. And most importantly, you will start to feel confident whenever you open your mouth. I know it sounds simple, but this method is not just simple, it's proven. It works. This is the same type of routine many learners use to move from "I understand English, but I can't speak" to "I speak comfortably and naturally." So if you're ready to make real progress, let's begin. First, let's understand why just 10 minutes a day can change your English. When most people think about improving their language skills, they imagine long study hours, heavy books, complex grammar rules, and difficult exercises. But the truth is very different. Your brain does not learn language through long and rare study sessions. Your brain learns language through short, regular contact. Daily exposure is the key. Even 10 minutes every day can be far more powerful than one long class once a week. Why is that? Because your brain stays in English mode. It begins to connect words faster. It remembers phrases more easily. And your confidence starts growing naturally. 10 minutes may feel small, but in 1 month, that becomes 300 minutes. That's 5 full hours of focused English practice. And 5 hours of real speaking-focused practice can create real change. Now let's talk about the goal of this daily practice. Many English learners focus only on knowing English. They want to understand grammar. They want to memorize vocabulary. They want to pass exams. But fluency is not about knowing. Fluency is about doing. The purpose of this 10-minute routine is very clear. To make English feel natural, to make speaking automatic, to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. And the best part is this: you don't need a teacher. You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You can do this practice anywhere. At home, in your kitchen, in a park, or even while sitting on a bus. Now let me show you exactly how to use these 10 minutes. I'll divide them into 5 simple steps. You can follow them in order or adjust them slightly. The most important rule is this: do them every single day. Step 1. Listening 2 minutes. Choose something simple in English. It could be a short podcast, a YouTube video, or a small dialogue. Choose content where you understand about 80% of what you hear. Do not worry if you don't understand every word. That's normal. While listening, do not translate. Instead, focus on the sound, the rhythm, the tone, and how words connect together. This trains your ear. It prepares your brain for speaking. Pro tip: use the same short audio every day for 1 week. Repetition builds fluency much faster than new content every day. Step 2. Speak out loud 2 minutes. Now it's time to speak, even if you're alone. Take a few sentences or phrases from what you just listened to and say them out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the speed. Copy the natural melody of the sentence. It may feel uncomfortable at first. That's okay. Speaking is a physical skill, just like playing an instrument or riding a bicycle. Your mouth needs training. The more you move your mouth in English, the faster your speaking improves. Pro tip: do not worry about mistakes. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. Step 3. Personalize 2 minutes. Now make the language your own. Take the sentences you heard and change them to match your life. For example, if the audio says, "I usually wake up early," you can say, "I usually wake up at 7." Or, "I don't usually wake up early on weekends." This step is very important. It turns passive knowledge into active speaking ability. It connects English to your real life. And that's how your brain remembers it. Step 4. Free speaking 2 minutes. Now speak freely, without reading or copying. Talk about your day. Describe what you see around you. Explain what you plan to do tomorrow. The topic is not important. What matters is that you keep speaking continuously for 2 minutes. At first, it may feel slow. That is completely fine. The goal here is not speed. The goal is flow. With time, your words will come faster, and your sentences will sound more natural. You can talk about yesterday, your favorite place, your plans for the weekend, or anything you like. Step 5. Reflect 2 minutes. Use the final 2 minutes to reflect. Ask yourself simple questions. Which sentences felt easy today? Which words felt difficult? What mistakes did I notice? You don't need to write everything down. Just think about it. This reflection helps your brain organize what you learned and prepares you for tomorrow's practice. Then repeat the same process the next day, and the next, and the next. Now you might ask, can only 10 minutes a day really help me speak fluently? The answer is yes. Here's why. First, repetition builds confidence. Small daily repetition makes language automatic. Second, consistency builds memory. Your brain remembers better with short daily practice than with rare long sessions. Third, daily speaking builds fluency. Even 2 minutes of free speaking trains your brain to think and speak at the same time. And fourth, personalization builds connection. When English connects to your life, you stop forgetting it. The real secret is not what you do, it's how often you do it. Before we finish, let's look at 3 common mistakes learners make. Mistake number 1. Skipping days. Fluency grows with daily contact. When you stop for 1 or 2 weeks, motivation drops. Solution. Even on busy days, do 5 minutes. Something is always better than nothing. Mistake number 2. Waiting for perfection. If you wait until your grammar is perfect, you'll never speak. Solution. Focus on progress, not perfection. Fluency is messy, and that's okay. Mistake number 3. Practicing without emotion. If practice feels boring, your brain will not stay engaged. Solution. Choose topics you care about. Talk about your interests, your dreams, and your goals. Make English personal. So, my friends, now you know the truth. Fluency doesn't come from a magic app. It doesn't come from a grammar rule. And it doesn't come from a perfect textbook. It comes from 10 minutes a day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you'll feel a difference. If you do it for 1 month, others will notice the difference. And if you do it for 6 months, your fluency will truly explode. Remember, language is not built only in classrooms. It's built in small daily moments. In your kitchen, on a walk, even while brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.